Ever wondered what keeps your car's engine running smoothly? Meet the spark plug, the tiny but mighty component that ignites the air-fuel mixture in your engine. Without spark plugs, your car wouldn't even start. Over time, they wear out, leading to engine misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, and rough idling. Signs of bad spark plugs include difficulty starting the car, poor acceleration, or lower gas mileage. Regular inspection and timely replacement can keep your engine running at its best. Don't overlook these small but essential parts. Like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.